Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Easy DIY, and today we are going to discuss about the rose water hack. So before starting our video, I would like to discuss few points, few benefits of rose water. Why we use rose water for our skin? It helps to lock the moisture in the skin. It helps to reduce the skin pores, whereas it helps to balance the natural oil of the skin. Also, it helps to cleanse and brighten the skin. So I am going to add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel into the pot. Next, I am adding 1/4 cup of rose water into the pot. I am going to mix both the ingredients with the help of teaspoon, mixing it well, and once my mixture is completely done, I'm going to transfer it into the spray bottle. Now my face mist is ready for the application. I hope you like this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.